back to my magical world of math. Today we are going to learn the multiplication tables of 9 series. That means 9, 99, 999, like those numbers. Along with that, the number ending with 9, like 19, 29, 39. Watch the video till the end. It is so interesting and very easy. Let us start with the tables 9. Okay, 9 tables we write first. 9. What we should do, first to add a 0 here, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, till 9. Okay, 0 to 9. For the units place, write it in the descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. That is the tables for 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, up to 90. So this is how very easily we can write the tables for 9. No need to by heart any number. Just see from 0 in the leftmost, 0 to 9 in ascending order. For the units place in the numbers 9 to 0 in the descending. Here it is ascending order. Here it is descending order. So 9 table here. Now let us write for 99. See the beautiful trick for this one. Same way we are writing. First write 0. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now what to do? Don't write any number now for the number which is in the middle. For the last number, means for the units place number, write in descent. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So what is left out? The number which is in the middle, that 9 is left out. What to do for that 9? Write it as it is. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, and 9. So this is a multiplication tables for 99. In the same way, we can write for 3 digits also. Just like we are able to write it in the same way, see how it is now. 9, 9, and 9. 999. Same way, write a 0 here. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 to 9 we have written here. Here, don't write anything for this. For the last number, for the units place number, write in the descending order. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. What is left out in the middle? These two are left out, right? 9 and 9. Write it as it is. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Just like that you have to write it. As it is. That completes the tables for 999. In the same way, we can write for any number of nines. 1 single digit 0, 2 digit 0, 3 0. Now it is 4 digit. That is 9999. That means 9,999. Now you have got it. What is the trick to write this? Write 0. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 to 9. And here, what to write? For the units place, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. How many lines are left out here? 3 lines are left. Write those 3 lines as it is now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines as it is. As it is, you write all the 3 lines. Now see the tables of 9,999. So in this way, we can write the multiplication tables for 9 series. Now let us write the tables for 90, 29 and 79. Means the number ending with 9. Okay, 90. How to write this? Say what we should do. What is the number in the tens place? Tens place number is 1. What we have to do? We should add 1 to that. So 1 plus 1, that will be 2. 1 we have added, it has become 2 now. Means what number is even, take the next number. So that is 2. So each step you have to add that 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Go on adding 2 for each step. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. You have to write the number up to 19, up to the given number. Started with 19, ending with 19. Okay. Now let us write the tables for 19, 29 and also 79. Means the number ending with 9. How to write for the number ending with 9? The tables for 19. See the tens place number. What is tens place number? Tens place number is 1. Add 1 to that. That will become 2. 1 plus 1. I'll write here plus 2. I have written plus 2 because we have to add 2 for each step. Okay, it is not like we add for this 2. No. 1 plus 1, 2. With plus sign because each step we should add. Okay. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Each step you are going to add 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 30. 30 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. Started with 19 and it is going to end with 19. What we have done? Added 2 for each step. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2. Okay, each step we have added 2. Now what to do for the units place? Write the number in the descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now your 19 tables is ready. Now let us see the multiplication tables of 29. Same method we are using. What to do? There we have added 1 to the given number. Here also add 1 to the given number. So 2 plus 1. Okay. 2 plus 1 is 3. I'll write here plus 3. Plus 3 means each step you have to add 3. Given number is 2. Add plus 3. Given number is 1. Add plus 2. Right? Plus 2. So add 2. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 3. 8. 8 plus 3. 11. 11 plus 3. 14. 14 plus 3. 17. 17 plus 3. 20. 20 plus 3. 23. Add 3 again. 26. Again add 3. 26 plus 3. 29. Given number is also 29. 29. 29. Now what do you have to do? Write it in the descending order. The given number 9 in the units place. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that is for the multiplication tables of 29. So easily we are able to write by using this beautiful trick. In the same way, let us write for 79. Now you have understood, you have got it how to write this. 7 is there. What to do? Plus 1. means add 8 for each step and in this place descending. Okay. So now we are going to write for the tables 17. Now you got it how to write this, right? What you have to do in the tens place, add 1, that will become 8. Given number is 7, add 1, that will become 8. Each step you add 8. And in the units place, write the number in the descending order. That's it. You will get the table. So 17. Let us write it now. I'll write here plus 8. That means each step you have to add 8. Okay. 7 is given plus 1, 8 is. 8 plus 7, that is 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 8, 39. 39 plus 8, that is 47. 47 plus 8, that will be 55. 55 plus 8, 63. 63 plus 8, 71. 71 plus 8, 79. Given number is 79. We are ending with 79. Now what we have to do, see what number is given, we have to end with the same number. Okay. Now write the units place number in descent. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now 17's multiples of 17. 17 table is ready. So how to write the tables of the number which is ending with 9, like 19, 29, 39, all this. Now I'm going to give you a number 39. Okay. Write this multiplication tables by using the same tricks in the comment box. Let us meet again in the next video with a new concept. Till then, bye-bye.